So here is my little instructional video about the breakfast wraps. So the breakfast wraps are essentially just an omelette, really. The wrap itself is made up with, these ones are made up with 2 eggs. So I start by cracking 2 eggs into a cup and then giving those a quick whisk up. In a non-stick pan, we spray in some fry light, and then what we do is we tip the egg mixture into the hot frying pan, just to lightly cover the bottom, really, to try and get that omelette as thin as you can. So you just leave it cook without messing around with it too much. And as you can see here, it's really starting to bubble, and I'm going to get the spatula underneath, and I'm just going to give this a quick turn over. The importance of having a good non-stick omelette pan, I recommend something like a pancake pan. So as you can see now, that's cooked on both sides. I'm going to lay them out on some grease-proof paper. Now this allows me to build those up. So I've cooked some bacon in the oven on a tray, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove the fat from the bacon, and I'm going to place the bacon, I'm going to strip it off now, and I'm going to place the bacon inside one of those wraps. And as you can see, I'm going to then do that again for the other 3 wraps, so 1 single slice of bacon. Then I've got some low-calorie Hex sausages in here. Now actually, no, sorry, these ones here are the Joe's sausages. Now Joe's doesn't exist anymore, but Joe's used to do a sin-free sausage. So I've placed them in there, and I've also placed some sliced active-fried potatoes in there as well, to sort of bulk it out, give it a bit of carbiness, to make it a bit more filling. So it's really, really simple to do. We're just going to put some ingredients inside this egg wrap, and essentially this egg wrap is just basically like a tortilla wrap. Sprinkle mine with a bit of ketchup, roll them all up. So that is the breakfast wraps. I would really recommend giving it a try, and the key is just to get those omelettes really, really thin. But I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the website for the instructions and recipes. And with that being said, tomorrow is another day.